All right, guys, you guys this afternoon received a letter. I sent it out to you through Remind, also sent it out to you via email. I'm attaching this video along a copy again with this letter from the district office. I'm going to tell you there's been a lot of work that has gone into this, from our curriculum department to the instructional specialist to teachers on our campus, to make sure that we have what we need to be ready to go for the first day starting on Monday. But there are some expectations moving forward that we're going to need you to do. Is in the next 12 to 24 hours, we need everybody to jump onto our school district website. We need you to go into the curriculum toolkit, and we need you to go to the school closure tabs on the curriculum toolkit. Once you get into the curriculum toolkit and you get into the school closure tab, at which there is a link on the letter that we sent you, you're going to see over on the left hand side there are modules, communication procedures, there's resources, and then there's a letter, the same letter to you guys. There's some checklist for the different roles that you may have on our campus, from case managers to special education to also a teacher checklist that we're going to want you to check out while we're navigating through the site. And lastly, there is some choice boards that are on the left-hand side that relate to each department. Some of us are still in the process of getting those uploaded. So when you get a chance, dive into those and look at the choice boards for your department. We'll need to be able to uplink those to our Google pages coming up sooner than later, but I do want to make sure that you're aware of that. One of the biggest things I want you to do, though, is you need to know that there are modules. Underneath the tab under school closures, you're going to see this modules tab. This is a requirement between now and this weekend. We need each and every one of you to watch these 3 modules. Now, there is a video of each, as well as there's a presentation of each. I'm going to take you through each one briefly, just so you know how to click onto it and see it. You can go through the module 1. Please read every slide or watch the video connected to it. When you get to the very last slide, there will be a Google form that you will need to fill out. It is a requirement that every staff member that is helping with distance learning is going to be required to fill these out for the 3 modules that are there. So after you go through module 1, you're going to jump onto module 2. This is a Google Classroom 101, because we know that some of you may not have this familiarity with Google Classroom, so they did a fantastic job of giving you the nuts and bolts about creating a Google Classroom and getting some things together. Again, when you get to the last slide, there will be a Google form that we will need everybody to fill out and take care of. And then on the last module, there is the last presentation that's on there, module 3, which is just about the learning platforms, some of the logistics and things that we need to make sure that we're just aware of. You get to the last slide, again, there's another Google form that we're going to need everybody to take a few minutes to fill out. Once you've gone through those, you've got a better understanding. You can spend a little bit of time on navigating through the system as we move forward. We're excited about what's about to come. I know that you guys have been putting forth a lot of work behind the scenes. A lot of people have been putting forth a lot of work, and our kids in our community are definitely going to benefit from it. Couldn't be more proud to work with you guys. So let's keep up the great work. If you have any questions, reach out to your administrator. But we're going to be ready to rock and roll for our kids on Monday morning.